Hi, this is Jake from Optimus Futures, and in this video I'll be showing you how to modify existing orders and how to close out those orders as well. So you'll notice once you do have a position in the market, once you've already placed a trade and it has been filled, up at the top here you can look at any active orders, any trades, or any positions you may have. So some of these do fall under the same category. So as you can see, the trades category, I do have that long order of my Euro US dollar there. This is ticket 71. You can see this reflected in my position as well. This does show some more information such as the units, exposure, your average long, short price, the profit you've made, profit in pips, and profit percentages. Now this is great, but it may come to a point where you either need to close out of this position for whatever reason. You may need to modify it and you want to add some stop loss legs or take profit or just edit it in general. OANDA desktop makes this really easy, and there's a couple ways to do it. The first and easiest way is to just straight up click on the order. So you'll see here I have it highlighted. If I left click there, it opens up this order ticket window, ticket 71. This way you know exactly which order you are modifying, so you can just check back there in the trade window at any time. So now as you can see here, I currently have close as the selected option. When you do have close, none of the other options here, you can't edit anything. You'll see down in the bottom here, text displays, it says this will close your long order. So it just gives you confirmation. If you want to back out, you can just close a window by doing so. Or if you want to close that position, you can just click on submit. I won't do that just yet because I want to show you the modify option first. Clicking on modify, as you can see, allows you to change some things up. As you can see, the text now changes to you may change the stop loss legs and take profit fields. So now if you want to add profit or stop loss or trailing stops to this, you can first adjust whether you want these to be displayed in price or pips. And then you can go in here, enable the appropriate setting, the order type you would like to place, or modify onto your existing order. So right now we have take profit added. If we want, this is currently in price. Like I said, you can adjust the pips as well, but we can just manually click on the arrows here. Or if you want, you can just come in here and manually type in the exact price level you'd like to place your take profit at. Now, if we click submit, our trade was modified successfully. If we come back in here, as you can see, we now have a take profit leg attached to our existing order. So quite easy. Now I'll just show you. If you want, you can click the submit button, and it shows us our ticket number 71 was closed out successfully. Now there's actually a couple other ways to do this. The next method I'll be showing you is through the chart. So let's go ahead and place an order here. Just right click on the chart to do that, and I'll buy at market. As you can see, this opens up the order entry window, and we have all the possibilities to enter in here. If you want, or let's say you forget to add in your take profit, stop loss, or trailing stops, like I said, you can do that after the fact using the modifying order. So let's say we just place buy 1 unit at the market, and we forget that we need to place the top take profit or stop loss. We'll submit. Our order was executed immediately, being it's at the market. And now OANDA desktop actually makes it quite easy. If you look at my mouse here, you can see a blue triangle has popped up on my chart. This represents I'm long 1. The blue represents long, red represents short. As you can see, if I hover over it, the order ticket is reflected up there in the top left. As you can see in the trades window, it does say this is ticket 83. And on my chart, up in the top left there, right under the contract name of the chart, it does say 83 bought 1 units at the specified price. Now again, if you like, you can modify this as you would any other order. If you right click it, you actually get some of these direct functions straight from the right click menu. So as you can see, we can decide whether we want to modify stop loss, take profit, trailing stop, or we can go into that entire trade details window directly from here. So let's just click on trade details. As you can see, it opens up that same window as before. Let's take a look and see what it looks like if we modify stop loss. As you can see, it does it directly from there, so we don't even need to go in. We can just left click on where we want to place our stop loss, and boom, you have the crosshair so you can see exactly what price level you're modifying at, and it makes it quite easy to do so. Just to show you one more time, this time we'll do it, let's say, with a take profit. Come up here, take profit looks like is represented by green, stop loss represented by red. If we place it, now you can see we have our 2 take profit and stop loss legs. Very easily done. Just show you, let's do one more time. Looks like I accidentally placed one without trying to do it. Oh, and this is actually a good thing to point out. You can modify existing stop loss as well. So as you can see, I just clicked on that red line, our stop loss, and it allows us to modify it from there. It's actually a good thing that we messed up in this case, but now as you can see, again, we have our red line across there, shows us the exact price we'll place it at. And there we go, we have it modified successfully. Let's click on that one more time. Let's put a trailing stop in here. So this is actually represented by a yellow line. To the top, or the far left over there, you can see it in pips. On the far right, you can see it in price. So let's place the first leg here. And now we have our trailing stop. So there you have it. You have all the 3 different existing, or the modification of the different order types. Just to show you out, if we left click, we can close our trade there from directly from there. If we close it out, all 3 legs that we just placed have automatically been closed out as well, and so has our order position. Just to show you, if you want at any time, you can come back and place another order by just simply coming down here in the favorites and then just opening up an order ticket window. Again, everything is reflected in the top here, so you have everything you need laid out. Any existing activity is also shown up here, and then again, we have the trades, order positions, exposure, and everything is also reflected on the chart. Just a real quick video showing you how to modify and close out existing orders. We hope you found that helpful. If it did, feel free to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more OANDA desktop and web content for all your Forex needs. If you do have any questions, post them down in the comment section below, or you can head over to our community forum. You're more than welcome to ask any questions you have there as well. We hope you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.